weche mag uchumi to ok mar siasa. Jotelo lero ni kit siasa marach e pachoka emomiyo thoth chenro mag piny owacho okwamo e rot kendo ok nyal loko ngima jopiny kaka dwarore. Koten kod jakom maduong' burano Charles Ole Paia kod ogai margi Fred Ogola gikoni giikore makelo lokruok poni gibiro kawo tele pachoka to kiro ma higa mag 2027. Gilero magi kinde mane gisidayang ka jolony mabiro tayo kuku machiwo paro maliw ne jolar kom 10 piny Kenya mong'ere kaka Evolve duond burano.
You cannot solve economic problems with political solutions. You cannot tell somebody who today is being auctioned from his business that for him to get relief, he has to wait for 2027. You cannot tell that young lady who is being evicted with her children from her home that her solution will come in 2027. We have problems that are current that need to be addressed and solved. And we don't see that happening because everyone is made to believe Kenya's problems can only be solved through elections.
The entire executive, led by the president, are not on SHA. So how can SHA work when the consumers are not consuming SHA? The judiciary, if you ask, tell me even Chief Justice, they are not on SHA. If they are on SHA, let them present their SHA number. If you go even to the Parliament, Parliament is not on SHA. And I can tell you, Parliament are getting 10 million shillings per MP for their health care. Some of them, just their teeth is insured to an amount of 450,000 per year. Yet Kenyans, even their heart is not insured. So it's not working because the people who should make it work are not